The 511 Large Kit Tool Bag is one of our most versatile items and offers robust and customizable storage for a broad range of applications. Whether you're looking for a way to keep your wrenches and screwdrivers organized, store your toiletries when you travel, or stash a first aid kit in the trunk of your car, the Large Kit Tool Bag has everything you need. There's a 3-stage fold-out organizer panel that offers zippered mesh pockets to keep your essential items in plain sight. The roomy main compartment is reinforced to secure heavier items. 2 secondary storage areas provide plenty of room for accessories. This bag is built from ultra-durable, weather-resistant 1050D nylon to keep your gear safe and secure in any climate or environment. We've added heavy-duty grab-and-go handles and a non-slip padded shoulder strap. The high-impact D-rings stand up to rugged use, and YKK zipper hardware can be found throughout. This is the 511 Large Kit Tool Bag.